Alright, so now that I've shown you method one of testing your first ad, I'm going to show you another method you can go with. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to find a viral video that is similar to your niche. Preferably something about losing a ball. If I can't find one of those, that's okay. I'm still going to do something funny golf. And then in the description, you're going to put the link to your store with a tiny snippet of what your product is. So I couldn't find any videos directly related to my product, like losing the golf ball, but I did find this one right here by Fail Clip. Ha 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 ha. Now go ahead and watch the entire video to see if it's appropriate and if you want to use this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this video. So we're going to go to keepvidagain.com. Oops, put the link right here and download. And I just want to say real quick, just so no one gets confused, if you come right here and you look at the quality, if there's no size showing up next to the quality, that means that the video isn't even in that high of quality. So you have to go with the highest quality with a size number. So before we launch this particular ad, we're going to go ahead and sync your Shopify products with Facebook so that you can display it under the viral video. So you're going to want to go to settings, next click sales channel, add sales channel, then you're going to scroll down until you see Facebook. Now you're going to hit connect, you're going to continue as yourself, click OK. Now you're going to select your Facebook page, one steal at a time, click connect page, and then accept terms. So next, Facebook is going to review your shop, can take up to 48 hours. You have two choices. You can either go ahead and launch the ad and start getting engagement now, still with the link to your product, or you can wait for Facebook to review your shop and then put your product under it, or you can wait until after it gets the engagement and put it under it. Either way. Both is fine, it's really up to you. So now we're going to go ahead and upload that video and then title it whatever, something like funniest golf fails ever, and then say something funny that'll get people to tag their friends so you get a lot of organic reach, because the whole key to this method is getting as much organic reach as possible, a lot of shares, a lot of comments, whatever. So I'm going to say like tag a golfer who should be in this video, and then go back to the emoji keyboard and I'm going to get some laughing emojis in there. And then below it I'm going to say amazing golf ball locating glasses 50% off now, and then put your link. Just find a thumbnail you like. It doesn't really matter about the text in this one since there is no text. It just whatever's most appealing. And then once your store is actually reviewed and you can import your products, go ahead and click tag product, and then you should be able to find it right here. Mine isn't linked yet, so I don't have anything, but I'm going to go back later and add it. And like I said, it doesn't matter too much whether you do it before or after, because it takes a while to optimize anyway. Just remember to be sure and go back and put that in. And you're going to hit publish. This is also another great method to getting a lot of likes, because everyone who likes this video, shares it, or comments, you can go in and invite them all to your page, and a lot of them just like it just because you invited them, so it's very useful in that term. Alright, and again, once it's uploaded, go ahead and comment and give credit. Giving credit to Fail Clip in this one. Looks like it's this one right here. Now that you did that, you're going to go back to Ad Manager. Again, be sure to change this up here to the appropriate ad account. We're first going to go into the campaign. We're going to click on the campaign, and then on the ad set, we're going to take the exact audience that we targeted the last ad with and apply it to this one so we can split test. But we are going to change the audience just a little bit to get more engagement. So go ahead, hit edit on the ad set, and then this will pop up. And you're going to scroll down until you see this right here, save this audience, and then name it whatever your product is. I'm just going to say golf. So now that you're here, you're going to go ahead and click create campaign, and we're just going to do another engagement. So go ahead and call this, viral video test. Click continue. Ad set, same thing, just viral video, and then pull up that saved audience right here for the. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click edit on that saved audience. And we're just going to make this a little more optimized for someone who's likely to like it. So we already have our interest right here. Now you're going to do narrow audience. And then what this does is it targets anyone who likes this, who also must also like this. So I'm going to say something like funny videos. And then check the reach up here. 1 million people. Okay, that's good, but let's see. Let's add a little bit more of this. Let's add viral video, laughter, humor, and I think that's good. Let's see what that's up to. Okay, now it's back up to 20 million. I'm actually going to get that down a little bit more just because I want it to be a tiny bit smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of laughter and humor. Let's see, 14 million. Okay, that sounds like a good number. Now I'm going to click Save as New and then save. And then when you scroll down, be sure it's only targeting the mobile. Be sure it's only targeting the feed, suggested video. And then go down here, $5 a day again. Click Continue. You're going to find that same post on the same page. Go ahead and select that. Scroll down here and click Confirm. All right, now that's confirmed, it's going to go ahead and review it, and it should be ready in about 5-10 minutes. All right, there you go. That's method 2 on launching your first ad. Now again, just to reiterate, you can do both, you can do one. It really doesn't matter, but what it comes down to is testing, finding an ad set that works, and then scaling that as high as you can go. That's the end of this part. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video. One last thing I need to mention before I go is every time you post an ad, be sure to check it on your actual mobile device. Don't trust Facebook's template because a lot of the time it's wrong. Go to your actual mobile device, because you see right here, you see how it doesn't look right? You see how there should be an extra space between those two lines just because it'll look cleaner, and then like on this other one, that looks decent, but see how the hands are pointing to www dot, and then on the next line it says one steal at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that link below that, and just so the full link's together so it doesn't look a little sloppy. Little details matter, like really, it really does, especially when you're just starting out. And then on that one, you know, I'm just going to drop where it says amazing. I'm going to drop that down a line. So, yeah, just be sure to do that. Be sure to check, and that is all.